Ganyan ba yung baby nyo? Pag naglalambing at nangihingi na ng food? Okay. 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 Ay, darling, don't bite your foot. No. No foot biting, I said. Dirty, ano? Pinantatapak mo yan sa floor. Kahit yung flooring natin ay laging malinis and sanitized. Still, that is a floor. Huh? Stop keep biting your foot, I said. Huh? Magkakaroon ng worm yun ng tummy mo. Papi? 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 Papi, ting-ting. Piting, piting, ting, ting. Papi, mami? Papi? Papi, mami? Papi, mami? A cutie baby? Papi? Papi? Mommy wouldn't give you food because you never finish your food earlier. Look at that. You see? You have leftover. And mommy don't want that because your food is very expensive. Your food is expensive than my food. Then you never finish? Mommy get mad. So I'm not going to give you food this time. You understand? Ha, darling? Do you understand? Mommy don't give you food this time. Cookie. Cukai, cukai. Cuki, cuki, cuki. Cuki kai. Cuki. Cuki, cuki, cuki. Cuki kai ni mami. Ang cutie, cutie pie. Cutie. Cutie, 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 cutie pie. Cuki. Okay. 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 Ya, bulaga. 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 Ki. Ayan guys. Dinamitan ko siya kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Ayaw niya kasi magpa-blower ng kanyang 4. Ayan. Hindi siya komportable. So, since maulan, hindi matuyo kaagad yung kanyang balahibo. So, kaya siya ay pinunasan ko ng towel na ininit ko. Yes, ininit ko yung towel sa blower. Saka ako ipinuna sa kanya. Ayan, natuyo na yung kanyang balahibo. Ayan guys, and then dinamitan ko siya. Ayan. Sabihin mo sa kanila kung bakit may tali ka, dali. Yes. Kasi nakakalimutan ko, may ihi ako sa sopa. Pinapagalitan ako ng mami ko. Kaya nilagyan ako ng mami ko ng tali. Ayan. Kaya nakikita nyo ba may tali ako, no? Opo, minsan po kasi umaakit ako dun sa sopa, saka sa bed ng mami ko. Then nakakalimutan ko wala akong diaper. Nagwiwiwi ako dun, napapalo ako ng mami ko. Kaya meron ako tali para hindi ako dun naakyat. Yes. Ayan, pero maluwag naman yung tali ko mga guys. Don't worry. Oh, say bye-bye na to them. Okay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye everyone. Don't forget to share this video. And please write down a little bit longer comment. Yes. Ayan. Comment naman po kayo about my darling okay. Ayan. So, your barking means hi to them, right? Yes, mommy. That bark saying hi everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. And also don't forget to write down a little bit longer your comment for my mommy's revenue. And of course, mommy will do the same. If you share the video, mommy do the same. And if you support my mommy's channel, will definitely mommy do the same. So, don't forget to subscribe mommy's channel, Wina TV. And my name is Uki. Yes. My name is Cutie Uki. Ayan. Bye-bye everyone. Papalitan na ng mami ko yung food ko kasi kanina pang hapon yan. Ayan, baka may langgam kasi makain pa at makagat pa siya sa kanyang ilong. Magkakaroon ng problem si mommy. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Say bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.